Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning, first job of the morning, we got a delivery truck, a lumber delivery truck hung up. He's over in Muhlenberg County, so we're going to run over and see if we can help him out. I don't know if he's still loaded or it's a flatbed, so I don't know if he's got a moffett on the back. You never know until you get there. So we'll get out there and get on scene and see what we can do. My dad's getting the truck out now, so we're going to take the Freightliner 5130. Should be plenty of truck for what we're going to do. All right, we'll see you shortly, guys. Hey guys, we're on scene here. Get it? Okay. Still tight. Is it always real tight?
Yeah, that side's tight.
Okay.
Red room is yeah.
Which was that turn, Steve? Okay, yeah.
Where you gonna put the hanging plate?
On that one? Guys, this is a tri-state out of Evansville, Henderson. When we need the rotator, we hire them to help us out. Good, hook me right there. Once it gets off there.
Hey, put your wheels that way. Pull forward.
Oh, someone's gonna run. Oh, we gotta get that chain off there. We gotta get that off there, bud. Maybe we'll just lay it up on top there. This whole thing until we get it. Just grab that and throw it up on the bed there. Straighten them up, come back. Straighten your wheels up, take it back.
Straight back.
All right, swing it around. Are you? Are you?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I've been one for about 13 years.
Yeah, he's been driving for you a while too. I ain't gonna lift that shit. That's my boy there. That's my son there.
I'm sorry.
Well,
How did you miss that driveway?
he didn't put it in there. This guy here drove it in there. We're getting it out.
We're working to get the shit
That's
out
your
of it.
son then.
The driving the truck.
That's the guy driving the truck?
The guy in the
Sorry, sir.
CPO code, I thought, goddamn. No, that's okay. He's 70-some years old. He just drives once every great while to help him.
Yeah.
And he told us today, he said, I believe I ain't been from work. He said, I'm just trying to help Andy. He's nervous.
Yeah.
And he come in here. Well, that's what he said. He's scared. There's turning cars coming over.
They fly on this freaking road.
I told him, and everybody messes up sometimes. But they sent us down here and said it was just a pull out. Just a, and it said bring his little truck and come down.
I thought he was the driver.
No.
That's what I get for thinking.
No, that's my son. He runs the records. No, I was wondering what you was talking about. No, he didn't put it in there. Which we have done some dumb stuff like that. I ain't gonna lie about it.
These guys here, we had a car just about run over another guy up there a while ago. We was sitting in the traffic, 175.
Yeah.
The truck turned around down there and getting backed off in the damn ditch over.
You know how it is.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah, it does. We'll get out of here so I can get this road open. All right. Let's get rid of that mount tool. We'll set it on film. Yeah. He said you wasn't much of a driver. I come unglued on it. He thought you put it in that pit. No, he apologized. He didn't know what he was. Yeah, we got it straightened out. Which way are you gonna go now, Steve? Yeah, come on, I got a little eel. You can see it on there.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We just got a call for a box truck hung up in the guy's driveway down in Muhlenberg County again. We've already been to Muhlenberg County once today, of course, so now we got to go back. So I'm going to try to get there before it gets dark so we can do some filming for you. I don't know if we'll make it or not, or how much light we'll have, so we'll get there, check it out, and see what we can do. See you there.